Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Two Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Kizuna Box. So Kizuna is a Japanese, they have two different box options. There's a lifestyle and then there is a snack subscription. I have reviewed the lifestyle box before. It is an amazing box. I actually won this in a giveaway. How cool is that? So I don't know if this is the lifestyle. I don't know if it's the snack. I don't know a whole lot. I can tell you the prices. All right, so the lifestyle contains 6 to 8 items. These are, by the way, shipped directly from Japan. Like this is all authentic stuff. They're $34.99, and then the snack contains 16 to 18 limited edition snacks from Japan, $29.99. I feel like it's been forever since I have been making videos, like, because I'm doing these bulk ones, and I missed it. And you know what? Like, one of my things this year is, like, I'm not doing things that I don't enjoy anymore. I mean, there's always going to be things that you don't enjoy, but this gives me, like, such joy, you know? Like, I don't know, you know? So I think, too, if you guys out there don't have a resolution or you don't really know, like, what to choose, like, choose that. Choose to make yourself happy and not do things just solely to please other people. Sometimes I do things like, okay, I'll do that. All right, that's fine. I'll do that, too. So I'm trying to focus on that. Anyway, here we go. Let's open this baby up. I'm excited. This is making me happy. All right, so this is their holiday box. I am so stoked. I've been waiting to open this. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Kizuna December 2017 edition, the winter holiday box. So in here is all the items that we received. We're not going to go peeking around, though. Oh, is this the... So I know, hold on. The box I reviewed before was the lifestyle. It did contain some snacks. So here, Happy New Year 2018. Thank you so much for your support during the last year. May this new year be a joyful and prosperous one for you and your family. We look forward to being able to continue delivering Japan to your door, which is very exciting. They also have a store, and there was a 5% discount code in here to use in their store online. And then they have it wrapped with newspaper, which is really cool because this is all Japanese newspaper, something that you'd never see. I think that's really neat. And so this is definitely the lifestyle box with this. All right, so first we have this little, like, it looks like paper mache. We're going to have to, this little guy here. We're going to have to look at the booklet so we understand what we're looking at here. All right, I'm going to read to you about this guy. See how it's like a paper, is it wooden or, I'm not sure. This is a handmade fuku for good fortune. Daruma doll, one item. Daruma dolls are one of the most popular talismans of good luck in Japan. Many would buy them at the start of the new year. These dolls are modeled after Bodhidharma, founder of Zen Buddhism. Their eyes are left intentionally blank. That's why there's like no dots in there. For the owner to paint in. Upon staring a quest or a goal, you draw one eye and paint in another one on the completion of your task. Oh, that's cool. So you start with one, and then when you're done doing that thing, you finish the other eye. Daruma dolls are also a reminder of resilience. They embody the Japanese proverb, Nanakorobi Yaoki, 7 times down, 8 times up, encouraging you to work hard and stick to your goals even in tough times. When you start working on your resolutions for the new year, isn't that funny? And by the way, when I said that, I don't mean like, oh, I do things for other people all the time and I'm never happy. I mean, like, it's really easy to get caught up in yes, 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 yes. Sometimes it's okay to say no, and I've been reminding myself that lately, or taking charge and just saying things that you're not comfortable with, you are comfortable with, and sticking to it is what I meant by that. I didn't mean like, oh, I always just, you know, that's not true. That's not. I just felt like I needed to say that. But I love that that's what we're talking about. Don't forget that you have this Daruma doll by your side. Good luck. So that is so cool. So maybe I'll do that for myself. So there's that. I think that's so neat. Okay. The last Kizuna box I received was in Easter, around Easter, because it had these little plates with bunnies on them. Oh my gosh, they are adorable. I've never used them yet. I don't know. I'm afraid like the kids will break them, or I just love them too much. Oh, is this a sake? So I think this is a sake decanter. In this box you have Minoyaki bamboo sake bottle. And then there are also some sake cups. Oh, how pretty is this? And you guys know, do you guys know that my kitchen, my dining room is in blue and orange. I know that's a weird combo. You're probably like, this lady is crazy. Ah, blue and orange. Oh, I'm so excited. So, I actually had my first hot sake last year. So it was, it's a different experience. I would definitely do it again. I thought it was delicious. But look how beautiful. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to show my husband. Oh, I'm not going to unwrap the other one yet. Just since they are exactly the same, let's keep them as pristine as possible. All right. Okay. My face is itchy. All right. Next we have, I think these are snacks. There's a packet with 3 things in it. All right, so these are rice crackers. Set 1, 3 pieces. There's a Sakura shrimp rice crackers, and there's a shrimp yaoki. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Rice cracker. So they will go well with your sake, by the way. Oh, so I'm excited to try those. I love snacks. I love snacks. All right, finally. No, not finally. There is way more in here. All right, so there is this beautiful little item. This was, I think, one of the spoilers. How cute is this? How cute. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. They actually, the Kizuna box that I received had a Tanabata towel, which is like for washing your face and stuff. I love that towel. It is so nice and pretty and soft. And everybody that sees it comments are like, oh, that's a cool wash rag. I'm like, it's a Tanabata towel. Get it right. All right, so let's see what this is. All right, this is a Tsubaki Furoshiki. So these are like those towels that you wrap like a picnic basket in, I want to say, or like a bowl or something. Tsubaki, known scientifically as Camellia japonica, blossom in winter in hues of white or red. The combination of Tsubaki glossy green leaves and deep red flowers with snow is a significantly popular motif for winter designs. Use this Furoshiki cloth to wrap gifts or decorate your house during the winter time like a Japanese would do. So that is a decor item that I love it. Isn't it beautiful? Oh. It's so pretty. Just so pretty. All right. Next we have, okay. Oshogatsu stickers. So here are the stickers. Decorate your journal and postcards with these adorable symbols of Japanese New Year. So these are they have the little men on them. And there's also little tops and some other little things there. Those are super cute. I love that the paper has like that like kind of, I don't know what the word I'm thinking of is. All right, then we have a postcard here. It says Season's Greetings. And there's a Santa on it. Oh my gosh. Is it blank inside? Let's look. Yeah, it's blank. Nope, it says with best wishes for Christmas and the New Year. So it says, this is, oh no, wait. This is a postcard that came, I don't even think this isn't, oh no, the Christmas, okay. Girl, I'm all over the place. So the Christmas card, there are 4 card designs available, each featuring dozens of little Santas and famous attractions in Kyoto or Mount Fuji in Japanese bullet train, Shinkansen, in snow. So there's that. Oh my god, they are all little Santas. Oh my goodness, how stinking funny is that? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. All right, so this is also a postcard here. Happy New Year 2018. So, and it's a postcard. Isn't that cool? It has, what is this, a Shiba Inu? Is that what they're called? Those little dogs? Like the movie where the dog comes back. You know what I mean? That dog. I don't know the name of the movie now. Darn it. Anyway, let's read their thing. Especially from the Kizuna Box Team to You, the card features your 2018 zodiac sign, the dog, and the trio of pine, bamboo, plum, shochikubai, the 3 friends of winter representing good fortune. So there is that. That is everything I received in my Kizuna box. I love this box. That's so amazing. And I won it in a giveaway, which makes it even better. It's like, I'm lucky, guys, just so you know. Just so you know. So if you're interested in the full review, which I will link to below, check that out. If you're interested in Kizuna Box, I will link to them as well, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.